Question number 23. A data set is given. Okay, question of statistics. Let's read the question. A frequency table summarizes a data set of the weights rounded to the nearest pound of 71 tortoises. Okay, so that means this data is about the weight of tortoises in pounds, and this is the frequency. That means 13 pound is weight of 12 tortoise. It is rounded off, right? And 14 weight is of 8, 15 weight is of 5, and what is the total? 71 of these. Okay, a weight of 39 pounds is added to original data set, creating a new data set of the weights. That means one more tortoise weight is added here. Frequency is 1, and now the total number is 72. So we have to find out which statement best compares the mean and median of the new one as compared to that of the older one. And all the options are like greater than or less than part. So let's see what happens to the mean first, and then we will see to median. What is mean? Mean is equal to, this is the symbol for mean, I am finding for the older one, sigma of xi over sum of frequency, which is 71. Now, if I see the new mean, that means whatever is the sum till here, no need to do the whole thing, right? We have to just apply the logic here. You are going to add a new data set which is 39 and the greatest, and that is of 72 tortoises. Definitely, if you apply the logic, this value is going to be higher than that of this. But if you cannot apply the logic and you are like in the beginning of the SAT preparation, just add all of this and find the mean. Use calculator. But if you apply the logic, we are seeing that here numerator is increasing by 39 and the denominator is increasing only by 1. So that means this number will be higher than that the older one. So older mean will be less than the new mean. Okay, mean is taken into account. Let's see the option. New mean is greater than, yes. New mean is greater than, yes. New mean is less than, no. Option deleted. The new mean of the new data is less than, so that means now we have to find from A or B, because only A and B options are telling us that the mean of the new data set is greater. Now let's see the median. To find the median, we have to create one more table which is known as cumulative frequency table. Now how to do that? When we create a cumulative frequency table, that means I need to use a little bit of different words like less than 13. Suppose if I say less than 13, how many are less than 13? That is the 12 of frequency. How many are less than 14? So if I say less than 14, this and this, both numbers will be included. So that will be 12 plus 8, 20. How many are less than 15? 20 are already there, so I'll just add 5 to it. That will be 25. Initial value is 12. And less than 16, 25 is already here. I'll just add 7 to it, and this will become 32. Then less than 17, 32 is still here, plus 9, 41. Continue. 41 plus 10 is 15, and that is for less than 18. Wait. And then 51 plus 13, and that is 64. And 64 plus 7, it is 71. This number will always be the sum of all the frequencies because we are just continuously adding all of these. Okay. Now if we talk about median. So, okay, this is old median. We see what is n. It's even or odd. Now 71 is odd, right? So that means we have to apply the formula which is applicable for odd numbers. So for odd numbers, it is n plus 1 by 2th observation. What is n here? 71 plus 1 by 2th observation. That means 36th observation. Now again, we have to find out 36th observation. Which one will be the 36th observation? So 36 lies between 32 to 41. That means these 32 are less than 16. You have to learn this step very carefully. Up to 32, weight is less than 16, right? And then up to 41, what is the weight? 17. So what is the 36th observation? From 32nd to this, all the observations are 17. So median is 17. Okay, let's see for the new value. Here we are going to add one more value, which is 39, and its frequency is 1. So our cumulative frequency will be same, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, and 25, 32, 41, 51, 64, 71, and 72. Now this 72 is even. Then what is the formula for median? That will be the new median. It is n by 2th plus n by 2th plus 1th. See the difference here, n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 is a fraction, 1 is a number. But if you do the odd ones, n plus 1 is whole as a numerator. See the difference. So mean of these two observations will be our new median. So n by 2th, that means 72 by 2th, 36th, and the next of it, 37th. Mean of these two. Now if you see this, 36th and 37th, both observations are 17. So 17 plus 17 by 2, which is 17. Now in this case, mean in both the cases is same, but median is same, but mean is this showing this relation. So let's see the data. Mean of the new data is greater than the mean of the original data set, and the median of the new data set is greater. No, it's not greater, it's equal. Let's see here. Median of the two data sets are equal. So B is the right option, right? There are many small concepts into it and logics. If you apply the logics, definitely I have taken a lot of time because I am explaining each and everything, but you will do it at a much faster pace. I hope the concepts are clear.